I am Alex. Welcome back to the Quality English Tutor Podcast, where you can learn English with full confidence. And
I am Sarah.
And today, I am in a bit of a panic. Sarah, I think I have a major problem.
Only one problem, Alex? Usually you have 10 problems before breakfast. I am Sarah, and I'm very curious. What is it this time? Did you lose your socks again?
No, my socks are fine today. But look at my desk. It is a disaster. I am looking for my passport because I have a trip next week. I have my wallet, I have my notebook, and I even have 3 old pens that don't work. But I don't have my passport in my bag.
Oh no, that is serious. But wait, friends, did you hear what Alex just did? He is already teaching us the most important word in the English language. I have a wallet. I don't have my passport. Today, we're mastering the verb have.
You are right. Have is like a giant umbrella. It covers everything. The things you own, the things you do, and even the complicated grammar of your past. In this 25-minute masterclass, we will travel through the whole have family.
Let's start with the foundation, possession. This means owning something. For I, you, we, and they, we use have. I have a car. They have a big house. It's simple, right?
It sounds simple, but here's the S trap. For he, she, and it, the word changes. We don't say he have, we say he has.
Exactly. Alex has a success notebook. The company has a new office. Many beginners forget that S on has. Think of it like a special S sticker that only attaches to he, she, and it.
Let's play a quick game to wake up our listeners. I will say a person, and you say have or has. Ready, Sarah? The students.
They have.
My cat.
It has.
My best friend.
He or she has. See, even a cat follows the grammar rules.
Now, what about the negative? I didn't say I haven't a passport. I said I don't have a passport. In modern English, we use do not or does not to make the negative. He doesn't have time.
Some people get confused and say he doesn't has. No, once you use doesn't, the verb goes back to have. It's like doesn't steals the S from the has.
Okay, now let's move to a dangerous area. I'm hungry, Sarah. I'm having a sandwich right now.
Stop right there, Alex. Friends, listen closely. This is the ing trap. We use having for actions and experiences. Eating is an action, so I am having lunch is 100% correct.
But what if I'm driving my car? Can I say I am having a car because I'm using it?
No, absolutely not. This is where beginners make a big mistake. You have a car. You don't action something you own. You can't say, I am having a phone or I am having a sister.
Imagine saying, I am having a sister at dinner. It sounds like she's a snack. Please, friends, only use ing for things like having a shower, having a party, having a coffee, or having a chat.
That is a very important distinction. If it's an action you can see, you can use ing. If it's something you own in your pocket or your life, just use have.
Now, let's look at the bridge that connects your past to your present. This is the present perfect. Sarah, how long have you had that lucky hat?
I have had this hat since 2020. Now, listeners, don't be scared by the double have. It sounds strange to say have had, but it is perfect English. It means I got the hat in 2020, the past, and I still own it today, the present.
Sarah has had a headache since 9 a.m. It started then and it's still here now. We use this to talk about how long a situation has been in our lives. Okay, friends, let's step into our time machine. Yesterday was a very strange day for me. I had so many things happen at the same time.
Like what, Alex?
First, I had an early breakfast at 6 a.m. Then I had a flat tire. And finally, I had a long meeting with my boss about my messy desk. Notice, listeners, I am using had for everything.
That is because had is the king of the past. It never changes. For I, you, he, she, it, we, they, everyone gets had. No more has in the past.
But Sarah, what if I want to tell you about something that was happening exactly at 10 a.m. yesterday?
Then you use was having. At 10 a.m., I was having a shower when the mechanic called me. It sets the scene. It makes a picture in the listener's mind.
Okay, now friends, take a deep breath. Let's talk about had. Think of it like a timeline. If two things happened in the past, the one that happened first, the older one, gets the had.
Last Sunday, Alex went to a cafe at 11 a.m., but he ate breakfast at 8 a.m. So when he arrived at the cafe, he wasn't hungry. Why? Because he had already had his breakfast at home.
Action 1, earlier, I had breakfast. Action 2, later, I went to the cafe. Without had, your story is just a list. With it, you sound like a professional. Whew. Sarah, let's take a deep breath for a second. We have traveled a long way in this masterclass already.
You are right, Alex. Friends, let's look back at what we have conquered together in the last few minutes. We started with the basics of Section 1, where we learned that you have a dream and your car has 4 wheels. Remember, he, she, and it are special.
And then in Section 2, we escaped the ing trap. We learned that you are having a great time right now, but you simply have a house or a sister. We also built a bridge with have had to show how long you've held your goals.
And just now, in Section 3, we mastered the past. We saw that had is the king of finished actions, and we even survived the double had mystery. You now know how to tell your story in the correct order.
I want to say something important to you right now. Learning a language is like climbing a mountain. Sometimes you feel tired, and sometimes the grammar feels like a heavy backpack. But look at how much you have already learned.
Exactly. You are not the same person who started this video 15 minutes ago. You have more knowledge now. You have more tools in your pocket. Don't worry about being perfect. Just be proud that you are still here, still listening, and still growing.
You have the power to change your future. You have the ability to master English. We have finished the past and the present, and now it's time to look forward.
Are you ready to see what have can do for your future and your daily success? Let's keep going.
Now, let's look forward. Tomorrow is a new day. I think I will have a pizza for dinner.
Will have is for those quick decisions. But Alex, what about your big holiday in July?
For a solid plan, I say, I am going to have a holiday in London. It's a 100% plan.
By the end of this year, you will have had hundreds of hours of English practice. This is future perfect. It's like standing in the future and looking back at your success.
Now, let's talk about have to. This is about necessity, rules, systems. I have to wake up early. You have to practice every day.
In 2026, don't wait for motivation. You simply have to follow your system. Many beginners say, I must to. No, must doesn't need to, but have always needs it. I have to learn.
Now, friends, open your mouths. It's time for our practice workout. We will say a sentence and then we will wait for you to repeat it out loud.
Sentence 1. Repeat after me. I have a big dream for my future.
Sentence 2. Repeat after me. She has a very successful routine.
Sentence 3. Repeat after me. We are having a wonderful conversation today.
Sentence 4. Repeat after me. I have had this English goal for a long time.
Sentence 5. Repeat after me. I had already had my coffee before work.
Sentence 6. Repeat after me. Tomorrow I will have more confidence.
Sentence 7. Repeat after me. I have to be consistent to reach my goals.
Amazing work, friends! You have finished the masterclass. I am so proud of you.
We believe in you. Tell us in the comments, what is one thing you have to do tomorrow?
Wow, Alex, look at that clock. We have spent more than 25 minutes together with our friends today.
And you know what, Sarah? Most people quit after 2 minutes. Most people want success, but they don't have the grit to stay until the end. But you, the person listening to my voice right now, you are still here.
That is exactly right. Staying for a 1-minute lesson proves that you are serious about your future. It proves that you have a growth mindset. You didn't just listen, you practiced, you repeated, and you learned.
Don't ever let anyone tell you that English is too hard. You have the talent. You have the potential. Today, you took a giant step toward the life you want. Remember, every master was once a beginner who refused to quit.
Before you go and start your day, we want to ask you to do one small thing for your English journey. If this lesson gave you value, if you feel even 1% more confident now, please hit that subscribe button.
Joining the Quality English Tutor family means you never have to walk this path alone. When you subscribe and hit that notification bell, you are telling yourself, I am committed. I am a learner.
And please give this video a like. It tells the YouTube algorithm that this educational content matters. It helps us reach more students around the world who want to change their lives just like you.
We have so much more planned for you. More stories, more laughter, and more deep dives into the heart of English.
We are so proud of you. Go out there, have a wonderful day, and remember to use your have sentences.
Stay brave, keep practicing, and bye-bye.
Bye! And do not forget to subscribe and like our channel because it matters a lot for us.